Satin everybody, your boy Big Brando here, and I've been getting a lot of questions about how do I brand my packaging. Do I get my boxes silk screened? Do I get my packaging silk screened? Do I use stickers? What do I use? So I want to let you guys in on a little secret that I use, and it's rubber stamps. This is all I use. When I launched Leftovers, this is what I had. So this one right here says enjoy your leftovers. It's on a little rubber stamp here. This one said Leftovers with the regular box logo, and I had the website on the bottom. These are good because you could stamp anything. So let me just show you here. Here's the box. Usually when I ship stuff out, this is a regular hat box. I would throw a hat in the box and it'll be all branded up. Very inexpensive, but it is very, very useful. So there's one. Hopefully this is in focus. Here's the other side. And these are just regular custom rubber stamps. This is all it is right here. So I just stamp every box that goes out, every package. This one right here, I would usually put this one. This is the one that has the website on it. I'll put this on the outside of the box everywhere, and then on the inside I would usually use this one, and it just says enjoy your leftovers. Funny play on words when I was running Leftovers, but this is all I was using. These are from rubberstamps.net. rubberstamps.net. I believe this one was like 20 bucks. This one was maybe like 14 or 15 bucks. The little handle is optional. You could get it with or without it. Very, very inexpensive. Most of the brands I run, I always buy these custom stamps just to brand my packaging. I mean, it's a no-brainer when you really think about it. Most people get their boxes screen printed. I see people use a lot of decals. I use decals when I don't have ink in my stamp, the little stamper thing to fill it with ink. If I run out of ink, then I'll slap a decal on there. This is very inexpensive and fast. Dab it in the ink, smack it on the box. That's all it is. This works on poly mailers, any kind of box. Shit, you could even stamp the invoice, you know what I mean? So if you were looking for different ways to brand your packaging and you just wanted to kind of set yourself aside of just the regular U-line box, like this box is from U-line, right? Instead of just giving out a regular cardboard box, just put a little bit of branding on it. Doesn't have to be big, doesn't have to be, you know, something crazy. As long as it has basic info, your website, your brand name, that's all it is. Customer gets this in the mail, they're gonna see that, like, oh, that's kind of cool, you know what I mean? So if you're looking for different ways to brand your packaging, rubber stamps is the way to go. This is from rubberstamps.net. I don't work for them. They're not paying me to do this. This is just something that I've always done. Even if you Google searched custom rubber stamps, there's a bunch of sites that come up that could do this kind of shit. So very inexpensive, dope way to brand your packaging. There you have it. Boy Big Brando. Catch you guys on the next one. Yeah.